Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about how we can enable the external editor to write the code by using Jshell. Type here Jshell to start the Jshell. After that, let's say first suppose normally we are writing the code in the Jshell console, like I am saying public void hello system dot out dot println hello world. I am saying and I am closing. See here, we have created the method hello in the Jshell console. If I want to access which is there in the system.out.println, I will say like hello and braces hello world has been printed. For example, if we want to write the lengthy code where we can use the external editor, like for example, if we are writing small coding snippets, we can write the small coding snippets in this Jshell console. For example, if you want to write the lengthy code snippets, for example, which is about 10 to 20 lines or maximum or more than that, then we can use the external editor. Like the command to open the external editor is /edit. See here, Jshell edit pad. This is the external default editor which is given by the Jshell. Here we can write the code, how many lines we want. Like for example, I am saying here also public void hello 1. I'm saying like system dot out dot println hello. Close. After that, if you want to run or if you want to access this data in the Jshell, what we need to do here is we need to accept it. After clicking on accept, after clicking on accept, see here the method hello1 has been created, which we have written it in the Jshell edit pad, this hello1. After writing the code, what we need to do here is, if that code needs to be reflected in the corresponding Jshell console, what we need to do here is we need to accept that code. We have to click on accept, then the code which we have written here will be reflected in the corresponding Jshell console. See here, hello1 method has been created like that. We can access here, like I'm saying exit. Now let's say for suppose what I will do here is hello1 and click enter hello. We can access the access that which is there inside the system.out.println, which we are printing. We can access that corresponding data. Let's say for suppose if you want to use the external editor, not the default editor which is given by the Jshell, if you want to attach the external editor like notepad like that, what we need to do here is we have one specific command, set editor. Let's say for suppose in my system I'm having the notepad open file location It is there inside the computer, local disk C, system32, notepad. So what I am doing here is I am making this notepad as an default editor rather than which is given by the Jshell. I am using this editor double quotes C colon / Windows system32. It is inside the system32, that's why notepad.exe I am saying. Press enter. See here, editor set to the corresponding notepad application. Now what I will do here is I will simply say /edit. Notepad will get opened. See here I am already having the code. Let me write the code again. Public void F1 I am saying. System.out.println hello Java ePlanet. Close the braces and do the control save. Public void F1 system.out.println hello Java ePlanet. Control save. It should reflect here. It should reflect in the Jshell console. How it should reflect here is method F1 has been created. First what we need to do is here I have saved this and I will close this. See here, created method F1 method has been created. Now if you want to access the data which is there inside the F1 method, F1 braces. See here hello Java ePlanet. In this way we can use the external editor, default editor which is provided by the Jshell, and also the editor which we can externally set, like Notepad or Sublime or Notepad++, anything we can externally set by using the corresponding command which is /set editor and the location in the quotation marks. That's all in this video. Thank you.